How can I speed up the process of dilation?
Hello, wonderful viewers. Today we are going to talk about an important topic that can be useful for expectant mothers: how to speed up the process of dilation. It's a common question asked by many, and today we're going to offer some safe, tried and true methods.
What is dilation?
Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly define what dilation is. In the context of childbirth, dilation refers to the opening of the cervix. The cervix must dilate, or open, to about 10 centimeters for a baby to pass through during birth.
Why would you want to speed up dilation?
There could be various reasons why an expectant mother might want to speed up dilation. For one, a longer labor process can be exhausting and emotionally draining. Second, if the water has already broken and the cervix is not dilating quickly enough, there might be a risk of infection. However, remember, it's always important to consult your healthcare provider before attempting any method to speed up dilation.
How can you speed up dilation?
Now onto the main topic. Here are some safe ways to potentially speed up dilation. 1. Stay active. Light exercises, like walking or dancing, can help gravity to push the baby downward and pressure the cervix, which can lead to dilation. 2. Use a birthing ball. Sitting and gently bouncing on a birthing ball can help position the baby and potentially speed up dilation. 3. Relaxation and visualization techniques. Stress can inhibit labor, so practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing and visualization can help. 4. Nipple stimulation. This can naturally increase the production of oxytocin, a hormone that causes contractions, which in turn promotes dilation.
What are the precautions?
While these methods can potentially speed up dilation, it's crucial to take some precautions. 1. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying any of these techniques, as each pregnancy is unique. 2. Don't exhaust yourself. If you are too tired, you won't have the energy you need when it's time to push. 3. Listen to your body. If something feels wrong, stop doing it immediately and contact your healthcare provider. Alright, those were some methods to help speed up the process of dilation. Remember, every birth is unique, so it's essential to communicate with your healthcare provider about your dilation progress and any techniques you're considering. We hope this information is helpful to you. Stay healthy and strong.